Have you ever paused to ponder where the food on your table comes from? The journey your food undertakes before arriving at your plate is more intriguing than you might imagine, and it holds a substantial significance that is often overlooked. In this vast, interconnected world, the food we consume travels far and wide. It crosses borders, endures drastic climate changes, and undergoes numerous processes before reaching our plates. But do we ever stop to ask ourselves, where does this food really come from? Knowing the origin of our food is not merely a matter of curiosity, it is a matter of our health, our environment, and our economy. The food's origin can tell us about its nutritional value, the farming practices used in its cultivation, and the impact of its transportation on our planet. When we know where our food comes from, we empower ourselves to make informed decisions about what we consume. We can choose to support local farmers, opt for organic produce, and reduce our carbon footprint. We can ensure that the food we eat is not only good for our bodies, but also good for our planet and our local economy. Imagine the satisfaction of biting into a crisp apple, knowing that it was grown in an orchard just a few miles away by a farmer who cares about the environment as much as you do, or savoring a slice of homemade bread baked with love using locally sourced ingredients. This is the joy of knowing where your food comes from. The journey of our food from farm to table is a story worth telling and knowing. It's a story of hard work, dedication, and a commitment to quality. It's a story of respect for the environment and a passion for sustainable living. In the hustle and bustle of our daily lives, it's easy to forget about the origin of our food. But when we take a moment to consider it, we realize its importance. Knowing where our food comes from is not just about satisfying our curiosity. It's about making conscious choices that benefit our health, our environment, and our local economy. So the next time you find yourself at a farmer's market or grocery store, pause for a moment, look at the food in front of you and ask yourself, where did this come from? Who grew it? How was it transported here? These questions may seem simple, but the answers hold the key to a healthier, more sustainable lifestyle. To summarize, knowing where your food comes from allows you to make informed decisions about what you eat, support local farmers and economies, reduce your carbon footprint, understand the nutritional value of your food, and appreciate the hard work that goes into producing it. So let's remember to appreciate the journey our food takes to reach our plates. After all, every bite we take is a story of its journey, a testament to the labor of love that brought it to our tables, and knowing this story enriches not just our meals but our lives as well.